Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. We're here again, and what we're going to carry on doing is looking at some of these tools so we can find ways of researching our words and working out exactly what to do and find the right keywords and key phrases. So in this one, this is a great tool. Again, I'll put this on my website, but webmasterstoolkit.com/keyword research tool.html. And what this does is this will allow me to have other ideas, so I can stick in a keyword, key phrase, and it will offer me some other ideas. The way it works is, okay, it has it here, you can stick in your word or phrase. So in this one I'm going to do stop smoking. Okay, I'm going to stick in stop smoking, and it allows you to choose which search engine you want. You can zoom in on particular search engines. I'm just going to click on all the web, and I'm going to hit research the keywords. And what this will do is this will bring back some information about the word stop smoking, but it also gives you some ideas of maybe some other concepts that you thought of not using. Okay, and here comes back the results, and as you can see, related to stop smoking, you've got AIDS, chewing, chronic bronchitis, effects of tobacco. I mean, some of them can be quite broad, okay, but free stop smoking programs, how to stop smoking without gaining. There is so much information here. I mean, if you have this tool, you have the SEO tools and the keyword tool, Google keywords, when we get into that one, you really can home in on information. So what I would generally do is I would use this tool as a way of me finding the actual phrase or the actual keyword that I'm looking for, because this gives me more ideas. I can have an idea about coffee, but that's it. I can't think past anything else but coffee. But like, for instance, you know, quit smoking, I could have an idea about stop smoking, and it gives me so many ideas here, like smoking laws, smoking facts, time to stop smoking. All these words, I can then take these words and then I can run these words through another program, like for instance, like SEO tools or keyword tools, where I can home in on how much people are actually looking for these words. Okay, and I can eventually take the whole list, take the whole keywords, and work out which are the best keywords, which comes out with the best numbers, which is going to be easy to control. And then I would use that as the concept of my website and the subcategories of my website, meaning the links that you put on your website could have a link category about smoking facts, okay, because it's all relative to the keyword phrase that I'm looking for, which is stop smoking. Okay, now what you can do is you can click on that, you can do a Control C, and I'm quickly going to open up a file, new text document, double left click on a text document, and I'm just going to paste all those in there. Okay, I can keep these in a text document, and what I do is I generally, right at the beginning, I take out the words that really I don't want to be using. So things like AIDS, air pollution, stuff like that I don't want. Lung transparent, I mean, it's a bit, stop smoking is pretty hardcore topic, you know. So quit smoking, there you go. That's, where was that? Where was that? That's a good one. Quit smoking. Okay, again related to stop smoking, quit smoking. Okay, so I would just take out the ones like lung disease, lung cancer, all the nasty words, living smoke free, you know. And then what I will end up with is I'll end up with a list of good quality keywords. I would then take something like quit smoking. Okay, I would come back to my SEO tool. I would then run that through that to see what I can come up with. So I stick in quit smoking, and as you can see, quit smoking is really in a high demand. You know, I'd have to really think, do I have the time and effort to put into take control of that? But then it offers me some more options, and I know this can get confusing. You could end up going around in complete circles, but it does get easier, and there's ways of you just saying nope, I don't want that, and just deleting it out. How to quit smoking. If you compare the numbers, they're okay. You know, what happens when you quit smoking? Things like this. You've got more and more quit smoking help. You've got more and more topics and keywords available. So it can seem like a boring job, but it's really, really important. Take this, add them to text files. Okay, keywords that you find, add them to text files. Get rid, I mean, half of these in here we're never going to be using. And what is TB, tobacco, maybe ways to stop smoking. We could get rid of those. This I don't even know what that is. I'm not putting it in my website. Secondhand smoke, you know, SIDS, things like this. All these words you don't need. Eventually you will end up with, let's say, something like 100 good quality keywords that you would have run through some certain tools to find out the demand. Then what you can do is, and I'll actually do it in the next tutorial or the one after, is I build myself something like an Excel file. I put in the name and then I put in the numbers, okay, and then I can find out which names and keywords I should be using, okay. So that I'll save that just for time being. So this is a great tool word. This is I'll put this link on my website, okay, but come in here, and if you're having trouble, let's say you have an idea that you want to do guitar, but you don't know what after that, come here, stick in the word guitar. It will give you lots and lots of keywords related to the word guitar that you thought that you maybe haven't thought about, and then you can run it through it, save those keywords, and then run it through something like SEO tools, okay. Or in the next tutorial we're going to be coming into the keyword tool, the Google one, Google AdWords one, and again you can run it through a program like that. So that's a quick overview of what this does. I think it comes in really handy, and you can really home in on those words that you thought might never be possible. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next one-stop tutorial.